The Genmitsu PROVerXL 4030 CNC router machine with GRBL control, the missing precision edge. You start a project with good wood, a clean design, and real intention. Then, halfway through the carve, the edges chatter, the lines soften, and you find yourself adjusting feeds again. Maybe it happens while engraving a client's sign late at night, or when cutting acrylic panels that should have been simple. It's subtle, but it adds up. The hidden cost isn't just wasted material, it's hesitation. It's second-guessing your settings. It's designing smaller because your machine feels smaller. That's the part no one mentions. Over time, you start adapting your creativity to your limitations instead of the other way around. And if you're honest, isn't that the quiet frustration? Small inaccuracies don't explode. They erode. First, it costs time. Longer setups, test cuts, re-zeroing after missed steps. Then money, broken bits, scrapped hardwood, projects you decline because they feel risky. Then energy, that tight feeling in your chest when you hear a vibration that shouldn't be there. Your evenings stretch longer, your margins shrink thinner, your confidence lowers just enough to keep you cautious. And cautious rarely scales. The real loss is momentum. The future version of you who could have taken on larger panels, aluminum plates, thicker stock. There is a way this shifts without adding complexity. But right now, it feels like you're pushing against the machine instead of flowing with it. And that's where most makers stall. This is where the Genmitsu PROVerXL 4030 CNC router machine with GRBL control enters, and everything changes. It works because rigidity plus closed-loop control equals repeatable precision. That's the mechanism. You get ball screws instead of belts, closed-loop NEMA 23 motors that correct positioning, a 300-watt spindle with controlled RPM from 3,000 to 12,000, a 400 by 300 millimeter work area that stops forcing you to tile designs, and an offline touchscreen controller that lets you run jobs without tethering your PC. Before, one user avoided aluminum. After setup, he milled clean plates for custom brackets in a single pass sequence. No chatter, no panic pauses, and yes, I tested this myself. The difference isn't noise, it's calm. Even setup shifts. Pre-assembled axes take you from box to carving in hours, not days. You load G-code via SD card, jog axes with your finger, adjust PWM on screen. Wait, that's allowed? With GRBL 1.1 compatibility and Carvico Maker included, design to production becomes one continuous motion instead of a patched workflow. Immediately, you notice smoother travel and quieter cuts. Within a week, setups become predictable. Long-term, you gain the freedom to accept larger, more profitable projects. In controlled testing, positioning accuracy lands within 0.1 to 0.2 millimeters. One user shared that the offline controller works flawlessly and removed the need for a dusty shop laptop. Another replaced a motor through support in under a week and reported consistent performance after. Industry reviewers consistently describe it as the natural step up from 3018 machines. Heavier frame, lead screws, real torque. Which of these benefits hits you hardest? Comment 1 for clarity, 2 for speed, 3 for control. Compared to belt-driven entry models, the difference in rigidity is immediate and visible. I noticed this after 3 weeks. I stopped babying the machine. That subtle shift says everything. At its core, this machine restores something simple: trust in your cuts. When your CNC becomes predictable, your creativity expands without negotiation. Right now, the included Carvico Maker subscription shortens your learning curve from day one, and availability tends to fluctuate with bundled modules. If you're ready for stability that quietly elevates everything you build, this is the step. Link in the description. First one, pinned to the top. You'll wonder why you waited this long to make your workflow feel this steady.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.